Hello everyone, this is Ashish Saini from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back with a new video on Python programming for the beginners. Like in the previous session, I have shown you that how you can send an email to anybody. Similarly, in today's session, we will also see another session for email sending. But the difference is, in this session, we will not only send a text message. Instead, we will add an animation. So maybe you have wondered, maybe you have noticed for some of the emails that you may have received in which you have seen so many animations are like you have a complete text, and that complete text is not just a simple message. That complete text is like a complete web page. So you must be wondering that how do we send those type of emails. So that is all that we will be covering in today's session, and through this session you will be able to learn a lot about the animation, and also you will be able to send a very attractive animation type of an email to anybody to attract them and to generate so many leads. So this is all that we will be covering in today's session. I hope that sounds very interesting. So now let's not waste time and let's directly go to the starting of the code and let's understand how to do that. So let's get started. Alright, so you can see this is a code for the previous program which we have written in a last session, where we were able to send an email to anybody, and in that email we were sending a subject plus the message. So this was the complete message that we have seen, and that we have seen that how we can send it to anybody. Similarly, in today's session we will not only send a simple message, but we will also add a complete animation for that. And now for that I will be showing to you that how you can do that. So for that we will be using most of the concept which we have used in the previous session, and also we will be using another module which is email, and that is already inbuilt in Python. So you don't have to create, or let's say you don't have to install it separately and then use it. You can directly call it and you can directly use it, right? So this is all that we will be covering in today. And for that I already have written some program for the animation part, because for writing this complete code this is gonna take a longer time. So that is why I don't want to waste much time. So I already have a program with me. So this is a program which I'm having with me, and through that program what I want to show you is that how you can send an email to anybody with a complete animation, right? So let me just show you what exactly I have done over here. Here firstly I have used the SMTP module. We have already seen in a previous session that why exactly we use the SMTP module. We simply connect to the server, and on that server we will do the login part, and after that we send that email to anybody. So this is all that we have seen in the previous session, and that we have done through the SMTP module. So this is what we have done. Now we have to add some more animation, and for doing the animation part, it's like your message is not the simple message, and that message is like a complete animation where you will be adding the complete graphics and complete HTML part. So for that, this is a variable, this is an object over here in which I have already written the complete HTML code. And what exactly I'm trying to do over here is I will be using this complete HTML code, and that complete HTML code will be used as a web page, and that web page will be attached with your email. So this is how, when you will open that attachment, you will be able to see that complete animation, and in that animation you will be able to see the complete graphics for that. So this is how your email is going to look very attractive, right? So this is all that I will be showing to you. So over here you can see this is a complete HTML code. Currently I have used a very basic one just to demonstrate that this is a very attractive one, and I have added some images, and I have added some, let's say, partitioning part. So I have done so many things that I will be showing to you, right? So let's leave it aside, but other than this you can use a very simple HTML code as well, so that at least you can see that how you can attach that part and how you can further use it to send with the email, right? So this is what we have done. Now after that, let's move to the next step. Like over here, these are the steps which we have already seen in our previous session for the email sending part, right? So this is the same thing. In this you can see smtp live.smtp, within brackets we are passing the host name, we are passing the port number. So this is what we have done, and here we have started the TLS server, right? So it is like TLS encryption. Over here we are doing the login part. Over here we are just sending it, but over here this is from who is sending this, whom I am sending this email to, and what is the complete message. This time our message is not a simple text, so that's why we have to modify it. We have to add an attachment with that, and to do the attachment part, here I have created one message object which is related to this email.message.message, in which you will be able to add multiple things like subject, from, to, cc, bcc, whatever you have, multiple other things, whatever different messages, whatever different parameters that you have that you can attach with your email, we can add all of them like this, like over here what I have done. So this is like tuts plus. Let's do one thing, let's add this, add another subject over here. Let's say that subject is innovate yourself email animation, right? So this is like a subject for this, and similarly who is sending this? I am sending this from my email ID. Whom I want to send it to? I want to send it to this email ID. And after that, the same thing which I have shown you in the last video, that I don't want to directly pass my password over here. I will be collecting it from this password.txt file where I have already stored my password. So I'm collecting it from there and I am just passing it over here, right? So this is what I have done. Now after that, msg.add headers. Now I have to add the headers, and also I have to tell that what type of data I am going to attach to my email. So this is what I have done over here. Add header, content type, text/html. So in short, I am going to attach HTML file to my main message. So this is what I am doing. And now finally, msg.set payload. So I am going to set that payload which will verify that okay, I have the HTML text, but where is that HTML text? That HTML text is inside email_content, which is this one. So this is how I have done. So with this, I have completely attached the HTML text, HTML web page which I want to send with my email. So this is what I have done. And finally, over here, when you want to send it, when you have to send it, you will not be directly sending it in the form of this payload part. You will be converting it as a string and then you will be sending it. So this is all that I have shown over here. This is all that I have done over here. So with this, what will happen? Whatever email, whatever data you want to send, that you will be able to send with that with the mail that you are going to send, and along with that you will have a complete animation, or you can say you will have a complete web page that you want to send to that person. So this is all that I have done, and now my code is complete. Most of the things were already clear and I have already cleared the concept in your previous video. So if you are not aware of those concepts, so don't worry, just go to that video. I will leave a link in the description, or I will add the link to this video, so you can go and check there, and accordingly you can come back and you can see the complete video. So this is all that we can do over here. Now let's verify that whether I am able to send this attachment, whether I am able to send this complete HTML page or no. Here I have used a simple HTML plus the CSS, which is giving the complete animation, right? So let me just run it now. And for running also, I have also shown you that part in my previous video, that what changes you have to make to your Gmail, where you have to let's say allow the access to the less secure app so that you can send an email to anybody. So this is all that I have shown. Now let me just run it, and I already have made those modifications, so that's why I will not do that part again. So I have already done that, so I will be running it directly. Now let's run it and let's see whether I am able to send it or no. So just run it. So you can see over here, you didn't get any output because I haven't added any message at the end when I will be sending it. So currently I didn't get any output. That means everything is done, and now I can go to the Gmail part and I can check that whether I have got the email or no. Now go in there. This is my email. This is my ashus3868 email ID where I have sent it. Now you can see over here, innovate yourself email animation. Now open it. Now can you see? This is a complete animation which I have added over here. I think here there was some mistake. That's the reason this image is not displayed over here. But if you will change the image link, or if you will try to add something else, you will be able to add it over here. But you can see, instead of only sending a message, you are getting a complete message, you are getting a complete animation, or simply you can say you have a complete web page over here. Now it is also giving you an option that whether you want to open it as a web page or no. So you can see over here, view in browser. Now you are aware. Now you can see that how you can send that email to anybody with the animation attachment. So this is all that I have done. And now I hope everything is clear to you, but still if you are facing any difficulties in understanding the topic, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. And also if you have any feedback for us, feel free to leave a comment below as well. So this is all about today, and if you have liked this video, do click on the like button. If you are new to our channel and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any videos from our channel. And also you can press the bell icon if you want to get a notification whenever we will upload a new video. So this is all about it. So please hit the like button, hit the bell icon, do comment, share and everything. Just do everything, and we will see you in the next session. So that is it for today. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.